Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at Everything You Need to Know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news of more evidence inflation may be topping out. But first, US mortgage applications fell 1.2% last week, a fifth straight decline as the base mortgage rate hit 6% for the first time since 2008. That is now 9 weeks in the past 12 that mortgage applications have fallen, suggesting their housing markets are in retrenchment mode. But that isn't coming with excess stress, it seems. Delinquency rates remain very low on housing loans. We are seeing declines, yes, but without stress. And American producer prices fell 0.1% in August from July, and this was as expected. Year on year, they're up 8.7%, which was less than expected and less than the 9.8% rise in July. And this was the least that it's risen in any month over the past year. There are definite signs here that the punchiness of price rises are easing. But concerns are mounting over the potential upward pressure on prices if there is a huge American rail strike that snarls their supply chains and hurts their economic activity. In China, a new people's movement is underway. After going on a mortgage strike over undelivered housing, others are now rushing to repay their mortgages. As the property market slumps, the once sought after leverage has turned into a burden. And now increasing numbers of borrowers are cashing up their wealth management products, which are essentially money market funds, to pay down home loans. The drive is being helped because those funds are now returning very meagre results. A disinvestment push like this won't help reinvigorate their economy, and it could be deflationary there. And Japan reported machinery orders for July, and they were up strongly, just like the machine tool orders we noted yesterday for August. It was a rebound that wasn't expected, showing that company boardrooms are still investing. In India, their widely watched wholesale price inflation rose 12.4% in August, but this was less than July's 13.9% rise and less than the expected 13% rise. Food prices are also up 12.4% in this Indian survey. In Europe, their General Court in Luxembourg has upheld an $8.5 billion fine for Google for the way it used its Android operating system to favour Google search. In Australia, new home sales are still declining. They were down 13% in July, and new data shows they're down another 1.6% in August. They've been falling all year from the peak in December 2021 and now down 28% since then. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today at 3.41%, a little change from this time yesterday. And the price of gold will open today at $1,697 an ounce. That's down another $7 from this time yesterday. But most other precious metals made some sort of recovery overnight. And oil prices start today $1.50 higher at just under $89 a barrel in the US, while international Brent price is now just under $94.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar will open today at just on 60.2 US cents, a little change from this time yesterday. Against the Australian dollar, we're firmer than yesterday at 89.1 Australian cents, and against the euro, we remained lower at 60.2 euro cents. That all means our trade weight index starts today at 69.8 and still at its 2-year low. Get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.